Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see exercise 11.4, in which first problem, evaluate the following, in which first bit, that is 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Clear? So here let us write them or let us convert them into other trigonometric ratios. So here let us start. I am writing 1 as it is. Can you tell me tan theta in terms of sin and cos?
Yes, sir.
Say tan theta is equal to?
Sin theta by cos theta.
Yes, tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Plus, same way secant theta?
1 by cos theta.
It is 1 by cos theta. So these are reciprocals formulas. Into, let us write this one as it is, and if tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, then can you tell me what is cot theta?
Cos theta by sin theta.
Cos theta by sin theta. Similarly, what is 1 by cosecant theta?
1 by sin theta.
1 by sin theta. Clear? So here we have used the formulas in place of tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, similarly remaining all. Now here we can take LCM. Here you see it is 1 by nothing, means we can add 1 by 1. Here you do understand what is the LCM for 1 cos theta and cos theta. What can be the LCM?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. So here let us take cos theta as the LCM. Clear? So here as it does not have denominator as cos theta, we should multiply. 1 into cos theta is cos theta. Plus, since the denominators are equal, we can write the numerator same. So here what will come?
Sin theta.
Sin theta. Here also, since the denominators are same, numerator will come same. Means plus 1 will come. Is it clear? In the same way, here can you tell me what is the LCM?
Sin theta.
Sin theta is the LCM. Now same way, 1 into sin theta?
Sin theta.
Sin theta. Here denominator is the same. So we can write the numerator as it is. So here what will come?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. Here also minus 1 will come. Is it clear? Now we observe carefully. Cos theta plus sin theta. Here also sin theta plus cos theta. Are they same or not?
Yes, sir.
They are same. Of course order is different, but here this is also addition of sin and cos, this is also addition of sin and cos. So in your mind you visualize this as some a, small a. So this you take as some small a and you take 1 as b. Same way here it is a. Here since b, 1 is b, here also 1 is b. Now here it is a plus b into a minus b. Here what is the formula of a plus b into a minus b?
A square minus b square.
A square minus b square. So here can anyone tell me a square means here what will come under a?
Sin
Cos theta plus sin theta, or you can write sin theta plus cos theta also. Anyway both are no problem, both are equal only. So here cos theta plus sin theta, this is a, so a square minus b square. B square means 1 square by, here let us multiply denominator as it is. Cos theta into sin theta can be written as it is. So let us write cos theta into sin theta. Is it clear? Now let us expand this. So cos theta plus sin theta. In this again at this place you just visualize cos theta as a and sin theta as b. Is it clear? Here you need to understand, earlier I have taken cos theta plus sin theta as a. Now here I am taking this only cos theta as a, sin theta as b. To apply the formula. Is it clear? To expand it. Now here, can you tell me what is a plus b whole square formula?
A square plus b square plus 2ab.
A square plus
B square.
b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Clear? Now here, what formula is applied here? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus
B square.
b square. These are the formulas what we have applied. Now So let us apply the formula. In place of A, you think A cos theta as A. Same way, in place of B, you can write sin. Now can you tell me A square means what will come here?
Cos square theta.
Cos square theta. Actually, it is cos theta whole square. You do remember that cos theta whole square or cos square theta, both are the same. Same way, plus B square. B square means
Sin square theta.
sin square theta plus 2 into A into B. A means
Cos theta.
into B means.
Sin theta.
So here 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 square is 1 by, let us maintain the same denominator, that is cos theta into sin theta. Now from the trigonometric identities, can you tell me what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta nothing but cos square theta plus sin square theta. Clear? So this can be replaced with 1. So here is a 1 plus this is 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 divided by, let us maintain the denominator as it is, cos theta into sin theta. Here what formula you have applied here, you observe. We have written in place of sin square theta plus cos square theta, we have written 1. This is the reason. Now what can be cancelled?
1.
Plus 1 and minus 1. Now here what is left now?
2 cos
2 cos theta into sin theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Here you observe, this is single term, 2 into cos theta sin theta. Here also single term, cos theta into sin theta, since it is a product. So here what can be cancelled?
Cos theta sin theta.
Cos theta can be cancelled and
Sin theta sin theta.
also can be cancelled. So here what is the answer?
2.
It is equal to 2. Now here you see the question. Evaluate the following means we should find the value of this. Value of this expression is equal to 2. So with this first problem, first bit gets completed. Now we see first problem, second bit, that is sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. See here, you just observe, you can take the sin theta as, for example, you take sin theta as some A. If here sin theta is A, here also sin theta is A only. Clear? You can take cos theta as some B. Here cos theta is also B only. Now, here can anyone tell me which formula is suitable here?
A plus B whole square.
It is A plus B whole square. Plus, here what is the formula?
A minus B whole square.
Okay, so here first let us write the formulas before starting the problem. Two formulas are in this, that is A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square formula? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Clear? And here what is A minus B whole square formula?
A square
A square plus B square minus 2AB. Is it clear? In both the formulas, A square plus B square both will have plus only. Only symbol will be changed for 2AB. Here it is plus means plus 2AB, minus is minus 2AB. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, based on these formulas, wherever A is there, you can say sin theta. Wherever B is there, you can say cos theta. Now, here, can you tell me A square means what will come?
Sin square theta.
Sin square theta plus B square means
Cos square theta.
cos square theta plus 2 into means 2 into A into B.
Sin into
Sin theta into
Cos theta.
yes, sin theta into cos theta. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Right. Plus now again A minus B whole square formula. Now you tell me A square
Sin square theta.
sin square theta plus B square
Cos square theta.
cos square theta minus 2 AB
Sin theta.
sin theta into
Cos theta.
cos theta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now here this plus 2 sin theta cos theta and minus 2 sin theta cos theta both get cancelled. And here we have one more formula from trigonometric identities, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So let us replace sin square theta plus cos square theta with 1 in the previous step. So here you see, observe carefully, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here also sin square theta plus.
Cos square theta.
Now here, this can be written as 1. It is cancelled. This can be written as
1.
Which one?
Sin square theta.
Here plus 1 or minus 1? Plus 1. Now here 1 plus 1 is 2. So here you see the question. Evaluate the following. That means we are asked to find its value. Therefore here we can write the question sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. The value is 2. Here you see finally it is 2. Therefore with this the second bit gets completed. Now we see first problem, third bit, that is secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. So here let us write the suitable formulas. Using identities we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Is it clear? Here observe carefully. This plus 1, I will bring this 1 to left side. At the same time, I am sending this minus tan square theta to right side. Now can you tell me, here I am not moving secant square theta, so I am writing as it is. Now can you tell me what is secant square theta? This minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Is it clear?
Yes,
Because this plus 1 becomes minus 1, minus tan square theta becomes plus tan square theta. See in this step, secant square theta minus 1, we are going to replace this one with tan square theta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we have one more formula, another trigonometric identity, that is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to how much? 1. Let us do the same operation for this also. So this 1 you bring this side and cot square theta send to right side. Then here what will happen, can you tell me? Cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Is it clear? So based on these formulas, we are going to solve this problem now. So let us take LHS. LHS means you can copy the given question. Sorry, here no LHS because here it is not to be proved. So directly we can take this step now. That is secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. From these formulas, what is secant square theta minus 1? That is tan square theta into what is cosecant square theta minus 1? Cot square theta. Here you just think, can we leave the problem here or we can do furthermore? Here you see, observe carefully, you think once, can we write tan in terms of cot or cot theta in terms of tan? We should think. Here there is a way. We can write tan square theta as 1 by cot square theta or cot square theta as 1 by tan square theta. That is one of the ways. Other way is, you can write tan square theta as, listen carefully, tan square theta can be written as sin square theta by cos square theta into cot square theta can be written as cos square theta by sin square theta. However you do, this sin square theta get cancelled. Same way cos square theta also they get cancelled, get the answer 1. That is another way. So here I am doing in a simple way, that is I am writing tan square theta as it is. Can you tell me how to write cot theta in terms of tan theta? 1 by tan square theta. Because cot theta equal 1 by tan theta. Cot square theta is 1 by tan theta whole square. Simply 1 square is 1 and this is tan square theta. Here what can be cancelled? They can be cancelled one time. So here we will get answer as 1. That means if we simplify this, this value is equal to 1. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.